Namaste friends, I am Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert from All Yours Wells. In this video, I am going to answer a question asked by someone from New Delhi. She wants to know what is the 1 carat diamond price in India. To know an exact answer, you should be adding more criteria of diamonds like the clarity, color, the shape and the size. So in 1 carat there can be 100 diamond also, in 1 carat there can be 2 diamonds, or in 1 carat there can be only 1 diamond. So with difference in size, the price will vary. The difference in color, the price will vary. Colorless, near colorless, slightly tinted kind of diamonds, VVS, VS, SI clarity of diamonds. So to give you an idea, if you want to buy 1 cents of diamond, which will have like 100 diamonds in 1 carat of VVS clarity and white color, it will cost you around 50,000 rupees, which is like $900 something approx. And same if you want to buy a VVS clarity and higher color of diamond, like colorless range and 1 carat of diamond, which is 1 diamond solitaire, that might cost you around 12 to $15,000. Okay, so that is equivalent to 8-9 lakh rupees. Okay, so that is a kind of difference. So if you wish to know exact and more about diamonds, you can write us on jewels@allyours.in. We will try to give you a precise answer. We are based in the Bharat Diamond. We are based in the Bharat Diamond Bourse, which supplies 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world. So this is the market. So these diamond manufacturers supply 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world. From manufacturers they are gone to traders, from traders they are sold to jewelry manufacturers, and from there it goes to jewelry retailers. So if you wish to source your diamond from these manufacturers with the help of our guidance, that will not only help you save enough money but also help you buy a better quality. Then we can help you do that in 3 simple steps. All you have to do is visit our website allyourswells.com, fill up the form like the color, clarity or the budget criteria of diamonds you want. We will go around in the market, pick those diamonds, make an estimation and send it to you. You can compare that estimation with your local jeweler or with any other online jeweler. We guarantee that our estimations will beat those estimations. If you agree to it, then you can send us the money. We will buy and deliver it to you. All our diamonds are certified by reputed laboratories like IGI and GIA. We are part of the Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council, so that you know that you are buying from the right source. And you can consider these videos as your buying guidance or tips about buying diamonds and jewelry. So I hope I have answered your question. If that interests you, then we are looking forward to your request. Thank you so much.